Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this tripod Easel television stand for 40 up to 65 inches LCD, LED or OLED screen televisions. It's a high adjustable and swivel TV stand. It's a portable corner TV floor stand with a wooden tray. VESA 400 to 400 millimeter standard, minimalized and in black walnut. It's also in black or white and beige on the market available. And it comes by ECOTINY. By using the ergonomic height adjustment function, we can adjust the television to the correct level for our eyes. This television tripod stands bracket allows us for a 45-degree left or right swivel, which could prevent light reflections. And swivel television stand is benefited in preventing painful in our eyes and neck muscles for a long time. This Easel television stand is constructed of high-quality metal to handle up to 77 pounds of television screens. Additionally, it passed the ULTUV laboratory tests with 3 times the load capacity, and an extra anti-drop pull cord will protect our family members and children's safety. Despite its weight-bearing capacity, we can move it from room to room easily. And the minimalist Easel television stand is perfect fit for 45 inches up to 65 inches LCD light-emitted diode television screens. Whenever we upgrade our television to a larger one, this TV stand will be with us every step of the way, because it features a versatile VESA range, including 200 to 200, 300 to 200, 400 to 200, 300 to 300, and 400 to 300, and 400 to 400 millimeter. This makes the smart choice for our home entertainment setup and experience the difference firsthand. And the floor stand added a wooden storage shelf, which has a maximum load capacity of 22 pounds. For our sound system, DVD player, and of course a game console, and other ornamental accessories. To create a well-organized living room, there are 2 hidden cable management that helps to avoid cluttered wires. The design of the Easel TV stand is inspired by displays in an art museum. Our television can be seen as an exhibition display in our room when it's placed on the stand. The sleek and minimalistic appearance of our television stand harmonizes well with a variety of decoration styles. And this it is, the ECOTINY Easel Studio Television Floor Stand with melamine shelf. We place the television in any space we want. It's perfect solution for various televisions from 43 up 65 inches, and a big wide capacity is possible. The stand up to 77 pounds, the shelf up to 22 pounds. No prop for it, babe. And we have a better viewing experience with swivel ability to multiple screen viewing angles to minimize the glare and the reflections. Plus minus 45 degrees swivel, job's done. And of course, before you have an unsorted stuff there, after the installation of that, it is organized and looks so museum-like art powered stand. Easy lock detachment for easier and quick television assembly. Then we can attach a cable management. This keeps everything organized. We have a non-slip foot pads. This prevents scratches or scuffs. And safety and stable. The safety kit included to prevent accidental tipping. We are going to install it fast and easy. We have a short leg, 2 long legs. We attach the legs. Then we secure the locking collar. We attach the brackets to the television. We mount and secure the television, and we attach the safety kits if we like that. And then job's done. We can make a nice movie night, or a football race, or an art exhibition. And of course, we can make and have game time with that, or a work report. So much is possible. ECOTINY offers us a wide selection of television stands, but this here is a wooden easel television stand which makes it really good, and it looks so comfortable. This is the ECOTINY tripod easel television stand for 40 up to 65 inches LCD, LED, or OLED screens, with height adjustable and a swivel television stand. It's a portable corner television floor stand with wooden tray, and weighs a standard of 400 to 400 millimeter. Minimalist black walnut in that case here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.